In the last video, we learned how to generate random shapes. Right, we learned how to generate random shapes. Now, after you generate the random shapes, you can select any one of these that you like. Now, we don't really know how it will turn out finally, but we try, right? You don't try, you do not know how it will turn out. Now, I will give you an example, right? I want to further investigate, right? Further explore how this shape will turn out, right? So, what I've decided to do is I try to do the mirror image. Alright, for example, if I choose this thing, then what I do is okay, first of all I will draw a box. Now this box, as I have said, right, there is no hard and fast rule, but I work with 7.5 because just now when I generate this shape I work with 7.5 cm with about 5.5 cm, right? Do not have to be exact, but no, 7 cm, not 7.5, 7 cm and 5.5. One small little box down here is like that, right? This is the dimension. So I will do 4 boxes like that, right? So this is 5.5 again, this is 7, right? This is 5.5 again. So I end up with 4 rectangles. I will try to do a mirror image, right? To do a mirror image, I first copy this shape onto one of the boxes, right? Something like that, right? I think it's something like that. A slope followed by a straight line down here, followed by a curve, then straight line all over, right? There is straight line down here, and then another straight line down here. Now, so if I try to reflect this one, do a mirror image, the line with the line of symmetry down here. Now, this thing will look something like that, right? This line reflected, so now I reflect this line should be like that. This curve, right? This curve should be some, right? It should end up something like that. And then this, right, this point reflected should be down here, somewhere down here. It should be somewhere down here, so it should be something like that. And then this point reflected down here should be something here, right, somewhere here, right? Do not need to be 100%, right, accurate. I will draw this curve right down here, and oh sorry, not there, right? It's supposed to be here. And so now I have reflected this shape over here. Right, let me darken a little bit, like the shape down here, right? So I have reflected this down here. Then I will try okay, there's a line of symmetry, quite nice down here, right? Line of symmetry down here, and then I will try to reflect this thing down here, right? The entire piece down here. So this point when reflected along this line of symmetry, it will be here, right? This point is down here, right? So down here, this point will be somewhere down here, I believe, right? It will reflect somewhere down here, so there should be a curve down here, so I draw a curve. So now I'm here, I reflect this point down here, it should end up somewhere here, right? So okay, this point is joined to this point. If I reflect this point, it should be somewhere here, right? Somewhere here. This point, right, there is a curve down here. I observe that there is a curve down here, right? Down here. Alright. Okay, so there is a line down here. When we reflect this line, with this line as a symmetry, it should go somewhere all the way down here. Alright. Then there is a curve. Curve inside. Curve in. So I curve in here. Right, this point should be somewhere down here. here. This point is reflected down here. So where is this point? This point is reflected down here. The reflection should be somewhere here, right? If we somewhere here, right? So and then the curve should join with a curve. Right? There should be a curve down here. And then I join up down here. Don't have to be 100%. Right? It's not 100% accurate, I know, but then doesn't matter. Let's see how this thing end up, right? It is like that. Right, I darken this. I darken the outline, right? Now I darken the outline. I do not darken the line of symmetry because basically they doesn't define the shape. It is the outline that will define the shape. So I only darken the outline. Right. I do not darken the line of symmetry. Okay, so this now again you can try to color this red, brown or whatever. I do not have a highlighter down here. Alright, but you can try to do it on your own. Alright, you can try to do this on your own. You darken and see, you color it and see how it turns out. Okay, maybe let me, okay, I don't have a highlighter, not okay. Let me shade it and see how it looks like. Alright, I shade. I try to space the lines evenly. Now, do not need to waste too much time measuring. No need, right? Don't need to measure and draw nicely. Just try to the best of ability to make it evenly spaced. Alright, that's about all, right? So now you have a bigger piece, symmetrical, vertically and horizontally. Right, you can try some of these to see whether this shape is something that you like, something that works for you. Now, another thing that you can modify, right? You modify, for example, this one, you find the shape down here weird. You do not like curve this way, so you can modify this shape to curve it out this way. Alright, you can remove this curve here and then curve it out this way if you do not like the convex curve, right? Concave curve down here, you can make it a convex curve. Alright, you do not like this sharp edge down here, you can round it off on your own. You do not like the flat edge down here, you can curve it in or you can curve it out. Alright, it's all up to you. Or you can do what you call, you can do a curve and another curve down here, right? Right, you can make curves instead of a straight line. You modify it, right, at will, and make it something that works for you, something that is appealing to you. Alright, give it a try, generate some, and you see whether it works for you.